Today we're going to be taking a look at how the Hoosic River Watershed Association helps monitor the waterways that contribute to your water supply. Every 2 weeks during the summer, volunteers collect water samples from a variety of sources across the Hoosic River watershed. This year, Hurwa has 9 sampling sites across Williamstown and North Adams. We test the samples for their E. coli levels. Not all E. coli bacteria is pathogenic. However, a high number of E. coli bacteria can be an indicator for fecal matter presence, which can be harmful to humans. Each sampling jar is completely sterile, so the jar has to be opened underwater to ensure an accurate reading. After samples are collected, they are stored in ice water and brought to the lab at Berkshire Community College. There, the samples are lined up and a lab technician makes sure every sample was recorded properly. Next, the bacteria in the samples are fed a white powder containing a special molecule. This molecule is shaped much like the container it comes in. One end of the molecule acts as food for the E. coli bacteria, and they consume only that one end. Once separated from the other end of the molecule, the smaller part displays its inflorescent properties. This helps determine how many bacteria are present in a sample. In order to encourage the bacteria to eat the molecule, the samples are sealed in transparent trays and left to incubate at 35 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After that time, a lab worker runs the tray under a black light and marks the number of squares that light up yellow. The inflorescent squares indicate the presence of E. coli. Through the bacteria's partial consumption of the added molecule, the molecule's properties have changed. By comparing the number of inflorescent small squares to the number of inflorescent large squares, we are able to determine the most probable number of E. coli in a given sample. This number is ascertained by looking it up in an index. This data is then stored in a sheet to make sure that public swimming areas are safe and our ecosystems are healthy. If you would like to contribute to the health of your waterways, visit www.hoorwa.org to find out about upcoming events and river cleanup days. You can also visit our website to learn more about membership and how it helps Hurwa ensure a clean, safe river and a healthy watershed.